Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. It's snowing out, so our trailer's a little dirty, but wanted to get this out to you guys. It's a 2019 Haulmark. 7x16 in a two-tone. Trailer's loaded up full of goodies and set up perfectly. It has our Colorado UTV Pack on it. This one's in a two-tone smooth skin exterior with a silver front, obviously black back. You've got that polished aluminum strip between the two. No screws or rivets on the exterior of this unit with it being smooth skin. You do have an extended tongue here as well. Side door does have the upgraded locking system, so you've got the RV lock and cam bar as part of that Colorado Pack there. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours. Now this is a transport model, which is an upgraded line for Haulmark as well. 3-year factory warranty on this unit. You do have side vents, and then we've upgraded these stabilizer jacks, added those as part of that Colorado Pack as well. 7-foot interior height on this unit, which is also part of the Colorado Pack. You also have a rear ramp door, spring assist close, and a transition flap here at the end. Part of our Colorado Pack also includes the rear load light, so you guys will have some light to see what you're doing at night. Toggle switch for that is right here, so you guys can drop that ramp door and immediately get load light. We've also upgraded the walls and flooring in this unit, so you've got the Dry Max system. You've got a full water resistant wall and floor system in this unit. It's awesome because you guys don't have to worry about that wood getting wet and warping and shrinking and doing what wood can do. That's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so nice upgrade over, again, your standard wood floors and wood walls. You do have 4 D-rings in here as well as part of our Colorado UTV Pack, so tie down points. We've also added an additional interior light, so you do have 2 LED interior lights, 1-piece aluminum roof as well with Haulmark product. Toggle switch for those lights are right here. Back side of this RV lock is nice and important. It gives you guys this, a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, so you guys can lock that door additionally, as well as have something to close and a deadbolt from the interior. There's those 2 more additional D-rings up here. 18 feet of total space from the tip of the V to the back ramp door. And then you've got one of those side vents up here in this top left corner, one in the back. So you will have a natural cross ventilation through this trailer as well, which is great if you guys are hauling anything with fuel in here as well. So here it is. We are located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado, just off I-25. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. And as always, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. We're always online at ColoradoTrailersInc.com, and I will post a full description and price down below.